Well, traffic crashes involving people walking or biking are a serious problem in Texas, and these dangerous situations also an issue here in the San Antonio area.
So TxDOT is hoping to combat these wrecks by launching a pedestrian safety campaign.
Now, I sat down with a local trauma surgeon at University Health System. She sees these crashes all too often.
Walk sign is on to cross Travis.
Make sure you keep eye contact and make sure that they see you.
Sean Auckland is walking to work today, and she tells us she is no stranger to almost getting hit by a car.
I have several times, but that's actually through riding a bicycle. Only a couple of times when walking.
According to TxDOT, there were 5,694 crashes involving pedestrians just last year. Those wrecks ended with 632 people dying and another 1,205 serious injuries. The top factors of the crashes: people failing to yield the right of way, drivers not paying attention, and speeding. And here in the San Antonio area, we see a lot of bad crashes. Last year alone, we saw 712 crashes involving pedestrians, and they ended with 65 deaths and more than 130 serious injuries. Dr. Lillian Liao is one of the trauma doctors at UT Health who knows the problem all too well.
Most scary, most memorable are the children who are hit in the back of a driveway by someone backing out, or in a parking lot backing out and they don't see the child. Those are some of the more memorable cases in terms of both just managing the injuries of the child and consoling the family. It really is not just an injury to one person, it becomes an injury to an entire family.
As for TxDOT's campaign, for drivers, do not speed, especially around crosswalks. Put your phones away and stay alert. And if you're walking or biking, you're reminded to stay on sidewalks whenever they're available. Look left, right, and left again. Don't be distracted by those electronic devices that can take your eyes and ears off the road. And Dr. Liao has a very important message for parents and for kids.
Be sure to be crossing with an adult before the age of 7, and really has to do with their ability to have the proper perception of how far and how fast a car is coming at them.
TxDOT also wants to remind drivers and people who are walking around, alcohol can impair your judgment, your coordination, and your reaction time. So remember, be safe and drive smart.